Are you in the business of manufacturing and supply of goods and operating your warehouse in an obsolete way? Chances of inaccuracies by using a traditional warehouse management system are inevitable. For all these businesses in today's prominent sectors, a warehouse plays a vital role. Designed by proficient engineers, Frusi WMS transforms your warehouse operations with its intelligent and efficient approach. It can be integrated with IoT devices and multiple systems. Data such as purchase order, ASN, GRN, put away, sales order, picking and dispatch can be sent and received in real time. Frusi WMS is both an on-premise and a cloud-based solution, allowing you to operate your warehouse from anywhere and monitor real-time data to make better decisions. Powered by artificial intelligence, Frusi WMS enables you with sophisticated features and value-added services. Various reports and dashboards help you optimize the processes and inventory cycle counting, adjustments, transfers, quarantine and quality management operations result in many advantages. Frusi WMS can be seamlessly integrated with other supply chain modules, e-commerce and all the prominent ERPs without altering their existing functionality. Implement Frusi WMS now for a quicker response time, reduced operational cost, higher efficiency, improved inventory planning and increased profitability.